In this video I'm going to show you how I made this pet food organiser for my cat. I started with some 9mm MDF board. If I was to make this again I'd probably use plywood, but I had some MDF around and I just wanted to use it up. I'd already measured the depth of the stairs and the height of the stairs, as well as the food pouches. So I started by trimming the wood down into long strips, marking off 22cm, which was the depth of each step. I put 45 degrees on the miter saw and cut this down. I used the masking tape clamp method. I used a lot of wood glue because MDF really absorbs a lot. While that was drying, I measured out the side panels and cut them all down to size. I added glue to the edge of the frame and stuck on the side piece. There was quite a lot of bad seams around the side. I filled in any of the bad sides with some wood filler, let it dry and sanded it down. I then cut down all the dividers. Measured them out evenly in the box and added some glue and slid them into place. I then painted it with a couple of coats of white primer. Again, the MDF is super absorbent. Using the vinyl cutter, I cut out the letters of each day of the week. For a full written guide, check out the written article. Hope you enjoyed this project, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe.